All right, find the surface area of the figure to the nearest whole number. So there's really kind of three things that we need to do here. We need to find, let me pick a color for this. We need to find the um, lateral surface of this pyramid. Like there's this side right here, right? And then this side right here. There's these four triangles. This side right here, and then on the other side, of course, there's like that side, right? There's those four triangles that make up the pyramid on the top that we need to find that. And the way that we do that is we take, for a pyramid, we say all of those lateral surfaces, the lateral area is equal to 1/2 the perimeter of the whole thing times the slant height. Yeah? So that's 1/2. What's the perimeter? Well, if we track this all the way around, we say that that's 4.5, that's 4.5, that's 4.5, and that's 4.5. Okay? And so there's 4.5 times 4, which is 18. So we have then a perimeter of 18. And then what's the lateral? Sorry, I keep saying lateral, but I mean slant height. The slant height, what's this? The slant height there is 3.3. So put that in. Okay, and then we just calculate it out. And we grab calculator and calculate that lateral area. So we've got 29.7, and of course it's square feet, for that lateral surface. Okay, so I'm going to store that down here, 29.7 feet squared. Okay, and that will be the pyramid's surfaces right there. Right? I'll kind of box them out so you can see. In green, that's what we're finding. That's what we're finding. Okay? Now, we need to find the lateral area of these sides here. This side, and then the opposite sides that are the same. Right? So how do we do that? Well, we need to find in this case, this is really like the lateral area of a prism. So we say the total perimeter, the lateral area of a prism would be the total perimeter times the height. Okay? And what is the perimeter of this? Well, remember it's 4.5, 4.5, 4.5, and 4.5, or 18. And what's the height of it? The height of it is 6. So if we do 18 times 6, we get 108. 108 is let's see, feet squared is all of this area. Okay? 108 feet squared. And then finally, let me erase those calculations. Finally, we've got the area of the base, because that square that's underneath, and if I trace that out, right, you have this dot 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 kind of dot 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 that area of the base is under there, that square that is that base. How do you find that? Well, it's just 4.5 times 4.5, right? Like times width, or side length squared. So 4.5 squared equals 20.25. So if we write that in, we get 20.25 feet squared for that bottom square base. And if we sum these all up, we get 29.7 plus 108 plus 20.25. We get 157.95 157.95 feet squared, and since they're saying to the nearest whole number, that is approximately equal to 158 feet squared. That is B. So you need to calculate these three things separately. You need to find the lateral area of the pyramid in green. You need to find these side lengths, this total lateral area of that prism in orange, and then that blue base, all separately, sum them together. And don't round them off until you add them all up, because the parts that you round off of each number could have added up to another unit, and it'd throw you off a little.